Optavia lean and green under 15 minutes. Let's go. Hi friend, it's Stace. Welcome back to my channel. Today is so exciting. We are going to make a lean and green under 15 minutes and it's gonna be delicious. If you're new here, let me fill you in really quickly. My name is Stace. I'm on a health journey to optimal health. I want to lose weight and I want to feel good, and so far that has been awesome. I'm currently on the Optavia 5-in-1 program. If you want to lose weight, let me know because I'm your health coach too. Today we're gonna make a super simple and easy salad, and those of you who know me, you know I love to meal prep. So be sure to cook your meat or your protein beforehand so that during the week your week can be super simple, super easy, and you don't have to think too much when you make those lean and greens. So for today, we are going to make a salad with kale, tomatoes, and then I mix my turkey and bison. They're both in the leanest category, so I mix them up, I buy them ground, cook them, and then mix it up because I like the flavor that comes out with it too, because sometimes turkey can be a little bit bland and bison can be a little bit too wild. So the two together, I really like the combo. If you've never tried it, be sure to try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. So here we go. 7 ounces of my turkey and bison mix. You're also going to need your kale. Please make sure you wash all your veggies. This is raw kale, so it's 1.18 ounces. It's one of the greens. And then I also have cherry tomatoes that I love. I find that they last a little longer than buying the bigger tomatoes. So for me who likes to meal prep and have everything ready for each day of the week, they last the best. I am going to have 2 servings of tomatoes. So 1 serving of tomatoes, 3.17 ounces. So make sure that when you're weighing your tomatoes out, it comes to 6.34 ounces. So these 2 together are gonna be my greens. And then this is my protein. And because it's leanest, I do get 2 fats. Now for me, typically when I'm making food or thinking about the week, I do not like to cook. I'm not your cooking girl. So anything easy and simple is the way I go. So for me, I like to use salad dressing as my fats. So this one right here, this is the Wishbone Thousand Island light salad dressing. So 2 tablespoons of this equals 1 fat. So depending on how much sauciness you like in your salad, you can either have this as both your fats or just as 1 fat, and then you have another fat you can have later on in the day, or whatever floats your boat. So for me, I will use this as 1 fat. So I will need to remember to have another fat later on. So now we're gonna put it all together and you'll see the end product in just a second. So now we've put everything together in one bowl and mixed it right up, and you're ready to go. Super simple, super easy, under 15 minutes. It is such a relief in my day, especially when I'm super busy at work. I don't have to think too hard about what I'm gonna eat, like how long it's gonna take. It really does take all the think work out of it. These salads are also great since the weather is changing and it's becoming warmer. You don't necessarily want to always eat something warm, so salads are my easy go-tos. I'll be adding some more fun 15 minutes and under lean and green recipes, so keep an eye out for them coming soon. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you know when new content is up. I hope you have a great day and happy lunching. Bye.